Welcome guys, welcome you all in this series of Spotlight. Guys, this is going to be the last session on Spotlight. And in our next session, we will take up vocabularies. All English vocabularies that are used in everyday conversation. Okay then, without any delay, let's start the series. Okay guys, first question is, no sooner did I enter the no sooner did I enter the when the rain heavy and stormy was
चलेंगे साथ 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 में हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन ओ मन में है विश्वास पूरा है विश्वास हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन नहीं डर किसी का हाथ नहीं डर किसी का हाथ नहीं डर किसी का हाथ एक दिन ओ मन में है विश्वास पूरा है विश्वास नहीं डर किसी का हाथ एक दिन होंगे कामयाब
Okay guys, are you ready with the answers? Okay, let me tell you what is the error in this sentence. The error is you have to replace when by then. You have to replace when by then. Okay, because the sentence starts with no sooner. So when no sooner is the opening line, if no where no sooner is the opening words of any sentence, then it has to be followed by then. No sooner and then make a conjunction pair. If you are good at conjunction, you would be able to answer this question. Anyways, let's now move on to the next question. Are you ready? So here we go. The sentence is be smart. Be smart, not only in dress and also in action. Be smart, not only in dress and also in action. You have to tell me whether there is any error in the sentence, and if there is, what is the error? Take your time. Guys, my health is running down today. I'm in poor health today, guys. I was not in a mood to, make this series, but I have already made a commitment to you all that Saturday would be the series on Spot the Errors. So guys, only for you people. Okay, I'm trying to be true to my commitment. Anyways, you think of the answer. Okay, guys, the error in the sentence is that you have to replace and and by but. You have to replace and by but. Okay, because the sentence is the first part of the sentence uh, is in contradiction to the second part. So when two parts of a sentences, okay, are contradictory, we usually add but, but. Okay, guys, now let's move on to the third question of this series. The question goes like this: hardly had I reached the airport, hardly had I reached the airport when I learned about the powerful bomb explosion. Hardly had I reached the airport when I learned about the powerful bomb explosion. You know what you are supposed to do. Think about it, and as usual, you have to point out the error. I'm waiting. Guys, are you ready with your answers? Okay, take your time. Okay, finally, the error in the sentence is you have to replace where. You have to replace where by when. Okay, guys, now let's move on to the next question of this session. The sentence is: it is not such a good book that I expected. It is not such a good book that I expected. Find the error and let me know. Okay, guys, the error in this sentence is that you have to replace that by s. In place of that, you have to use as. So the correct sentence would be: it is not such a good book as I expected. It is not such a good book as I expected. Got it? Guys, this is the last session for your spot the error series. Okay, after this we will take up the vocabulary series, and I would like to tell you all that this series must not be missed. You know guys, we have to have a very good vocabulary in English, and it is my sincere request, it is my humble request to you all, please follow all the vocabulary series that I am going to prepare right after this series. Okay, I will tell you the meanings of difficult words along with pictures and illustrations, so that the meaning of the word becomes clear to you. Okay, so do not miss any of the session in the vocabulary series. Guys, I promise you this series is going to be really helpful to you. I'm not going to take up everyday words. I'm not going to take up those words that are used in everyday conversation. I'm going to take up advanced words. We are going to take up advanced vocabularies. Those words which are very unique, or which are, you know, not very, which are not used very often in sentences. This will help you in reading. Okay, whenever you go for reading a newspaper or reading a story or a novel, okay, this vocabulary series is going to be really effective and productive. I promise you, by the end of this vocabulary series, okay, I would be taking up around 1000 difficult words, 1000 unknown words. So do watch my series, and mind it, don't miss any of the sessions in the vocabulary series. I repeat, don't miss it. Okay, my request to every parents, allow your child to watch this series. Okay, I'm doing this from the core of my heart. I've seen every child, you know, struggling really hard to understand a story, to understand the paragraphs of any article. Okay. So in order to overcome these problems, I have taken up this initiative, okay, to help them in understanding words and knowing their meanings. So it is a request not only to the students but also to parents, please support me in my cause. Thank you. Okay guys, let's now move on to the next question of this session. And the question is right here. The downfall of this kind is to be attributed to nothing else than pride. The downfall of this kind is to be attributed to nothing else than pride. I've already read the sentence. Okay. Now your duty is to spot the error in the sentence. Take your time while I am waiting. Okay guys, are you able to spot the error in the sentence? Think carefully. Okay, let me tell you. The error in the sentence is you have to replace then by but. You have to replace then by but. THAN then should be replaced by BUT but. Is that clear? Okay then. Okay guys, we have now come to the end of this session. That's it for today. Even I am not in good health. My health is running down. So before I close, the only thing I would like to tell you all is that I'm going to take up the English vocabulary series in my next session. Please be prepared. Take that session very seriously. Mind it. It is going to be of great help to you. With that message, I would like to conclude my show. So this is Anand Sharma, your English teacher, signing off for now. Stay happy, stay healthy, keep smiling. Goodbye.